Hey food lovers! Welcome back to Amazing Food MN. Today, we're diving into two of the most iconic flavors Canada has ever shared with the world. The rich, cheesy comfort of poutine and the sweet, gooey magic of the butter tart. These aren't just recipes. They're pure Canadian soul food. Whether you're craving something crispy, saucy, and savory, or you want a dessert that melts in your mouth with every bite, today's video has you covered. We're taking you on a delicious Canadian food trip, simple steps, easy ingredients, and flavors that hit hard. Stick around, because you're about to fall in love with Canada's most legendary dishes. Recipe number 1, Poutine, the Canadian Comfort King. So here's the thing. If you ever ask a Canadian what food represents their country, most of them will say poutine without thinking for even a second. This dish is simple, it's warm, it's hearty, and honestly, it's the kind of thing that just hits the spot on a cold day. And trust me, Canada has a lot of cold days. Where poutine comes from. Poutine was born in Quebec back in the 1950s. The story goes that a customer walked into a small diner and asked the owner to mix cheese curds with fries. The owner looked at him like, seriously? But he still did it, added hot gravy on top, and boom, the magic combo was born. That little experiment turned into a national obsession. What makes it so good? Let's break it down. Poutine has only 3 basic parts. Crispy fries, cheese curds. They must be fresh and squeaky. Hot brown gravy. When you put them together, something crazy happens. The fries stay crispy on the outside but soft inside. The cheese curds don't melt completely. They soften and become stretchy. Then the gravy ties everything together with a savory, buttery warmth. If you're trying poutine for the first time, be prepared, it's addictive. How to make classic Canadian poutine. Let's walk through the recipe in simple steps. Ingredients: frozen or hand-cut French fries, fresh cheese curds, brown gravy, store-bought or homemade. Steps: cook your fries until golden and crispy. Don't rush this. The crispier, the better. Place the hot fries in a bowl or plate. Add a generous amount of cheese curds. Pour hot gravy over everything. Watch the cheese soften. And enjoy immediately. That's it. 3 ingredients, 5 steps. Full happiness. Why Canadians love it so much. It's cheap, it's filling, and it feels like a hug in a bowl. From street vendors to fancy restaurants, poutine is everywhere, and everyone makes it their own way. Some people add pulled pork, some add spicy chicken, some even add lobster. But nothing beats the classic. Recipe number 2, butter tarts, Canada's sweet pride. Okay, so after you've loaded up on the warm, salty comfort of poutine, you're gonna need something sweet. And this is where butter tarts come in, one of Canada's most traditional and beloved desserts. A bit of history. Butter tarts go way back to the early settlers of Canada. They were simple, they were cheap to make, and they tasted amazing. Over the years, they became a Canadian staple. Something every grandma makes better than anyone else. Some people like them runny and gooey. Others like them firm and sticky. Some add raisins. Some add pecans. And yes, Canadians argue about this all the time. What makes butter tart special? Imagine a flaky pastry shell filled with a buttery, sugary, caramel-like filling that melts in your mouth. It's rich but not too heavy. Sweet but not too sweet. Basically, it's perfect. When you take that first bite and the filling hits your tongue, you instantly understand why this dessert has survived for generations. How to make classic Canadian butter tarts. Ingredients: tart shells, melted butter, brown sugar, vanilla extract, raisins or pecans, optional. Steps: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix melted butter, brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla until smooth. Add raisins or pecans if you want. Fill the tart shells about 2/3 full. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the tops bubble and turn golden. Let them cool slightly and enjoy the soft, buttery goodness. It's a simple recipe, And that's exactly why it's so popular. Anyone can make it, and everyone loves it. Movie camera fun comparisons. Poutine versus butter tarts. Let's have a little fun here. Poutine is the friend you call when you need comfort, warmth, and something to lift your mood. Butter tarts are the dessert you eat when you want to treat yourself and feel cozy inside. One is salty. One is sweet. One is hot and heavy. One is light and delicate. But together, they make the perfect Canadian food duo. Why these recipes represent Canada. Food is a big part of culture, and these two dishes say a lot about Canada. They're simple, made from everyday ingredients. They're comforting, especially in winter. They're unique, meaning you won't find them exactly like this anywhere else in the world. They're loved by everyone, locals, tourists, kids, adults, anybody with taste buds. Canadians take pride in their food, and these two recipes hold a special place in their hearts. And that's it, guys, the two most popular and iconic Canadian recipes. Poutine and butter tarts. Whether you're cooking at home, planning a themed dinner, or just curious about what Canadians love to eat, these dishes are definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing food content from around the world. And hey, let me know in the comments. Which recipe are you trying first? Are you team salty poutine or team sweet butter tart? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay hungry, stay curious, and stay awesome.